Hello everyone and welcome back to BC Daily, your everyday source of information on the updates and what's new in Business Central. I am Jayson De Leon, your Microsoft 365 Business Central functional consultant, and welcome back to BC Daily. So for today, we're gonna be discussing financial reporting in Business Central. So just to give you a background about it, and context about financial reporting in Business Central, in any accounting system or financial system, we have plenty of ways to write financial reports. And we define the rows. Basically, yung mga galing sa rows ay yung mga general ledger accounts na galing din sa ating chart of accounts, no? And then we define kung ano yung gagamitin natin na chart of accounts or general ledger accounts doon sa ating financial report. Whether we are creating balance sheet or income statement, kailangan natin yung mga chart of accounts na to, yung general ledger account na ito, para makapag-create tayo ng ating financial reports. So, dinidefine natin yung mga rows. And against the rows, dinidefine din natin yung mga columns. Basically, ito yung measures or figures or basically the actual result of the transaction. So, pwede itong yung actual result, yung actual figures natin as of today, or pwede rin naman ng column ay comparison sa monthly expenses or monthly result ng company, or pwede rin naman siyang comparative sa last year result, no? So, yun yung mga dinedefine natin sa columns. Dinedefine natin yung mga rows at saka yung columns para makapag-create tayo ng financial reports. So, most of the system, gumagamit sila ng tinatawag nating FRW or Financial Report Writer. Maaaring iba yung term nila. Kay Business Central, ang tawag dito before ay Account Schedule. Sa account schedule natin dinedefine yung mga rows at saka mga columns na gagamitin to create a report. One of the examples of the report is basically the financial statements or the balance sheet, income statement, cash flow, and changes on equity. Yan yung mga example natin ng mga financial reports. At lahat ng yan ay magagawa natin yan inside Business Central. We don't have to use another tool or another system or another financial system or report writer to create those, dahil lahat ng yan ay makikreate natin inside Business Central. Kaya lang meron tayong mga updates sa Business Central. At yung mga updates na to, yan ang pag-uusapan natin for today. So, dati, ang tawag natin kay Financial Report Writer ni Business Central or tawag rin natin sa dating version ni Business Central is Microsoft Dynamics Nav, no? Ang tawag natin sa feature na yon is Account Schedule. Ngayon, ni-replace na ni Microsoft yung Account Schedule. It is now called Financial Reporting. So, this is to align para sa mga bago nating Business Central users at hindi sila malito. They don't need to type account schedule. They just need to type financial reports and then they can create their own financial report. The question is, may changes ba? Ano ba yung changes ng financial reports versus the account schedule? Yan ang ating aalamin dito sa ating demonstration. So to make it easier for the new users of Business Central, Microsoft renamed or replaces account schedule into financial reporting. Okay, so to show you, let me display my instance or my environment for Business Central. Okay, so from here, sineparate na ni Microsoft yung definition ng financial reporting from the definition of rows and columns in the system and even account schedule. Tinanggal na yung words na account schedule so that it is clearer that a financial report is a combination of rows and column plus the definition of the additional parameters that we can set in the financial reporting. So to find the financial report, we can now just search for financial reporting. So, in the in-product search or the tell me what you want to do search engine, just search for financial reporting. For financial reports, and then it will automatically show you the list of the reports available In this instance, ang available na nandito ay yung mga na-create na in the system. I have reports related to the balance sheet, cash flow statements, income statement, and even the retained earnings, pati mga ibang financial reports na pwedeng nire-require ng company. So what happens here is that in earlier versions, itong page na to, ang tawag dito ay overview, just overview. Ngayon, ang pangalan niya is financial report page. So the objects na makikita nyo dito, ang makikita nyo dito is basically the name of the reports, the description, the row definition, and the column definition. Nagit ko kanina na in order for us to create a financial report, we need to define the rows and the columns in the system. So similar pa din dito sa ating financial reporting, makikita pa rin natin at madedefine pa din natin yung mga rows at saka mga columns dito sa financial reports. At yun pa rin ang mga bumubuo sa financial reports natin. To show you an example of this, let me show you the balance sheet created inside my Dynamics 365 Business Central instance. Basically, it will show me the row and the column. The column basically is the last year and this year. And I have here the columns are basically coming from my GL account or General Ledger accounts na part ng aking chart of accounts, no? And same as before, makikita rin natin yung mga filtering options natin with regards to dimensions. Ano nga ba ang dimensions at ano yung importance ng dimensions? Yan ang ituturo ko next time. Ano yung mga updates natin that we can do in dimensions? Yan ang ituturo natin next time. But for now, we'll focus on the financial reports. So now I will be showing the income statement. And then makikita rin natin yung mga rows and column na naka-define. So basically, nandito yung mga revenues at saka mga expenses na part ng ating chart of accounts, and then basically the net changes or the actual result. Okay? Ang tips lang natin, kung kayo ay nawawala at nasanay na kayo sa Word na account schedule dahil matagal na kayong NAV user or Business Central user, it's okay kasi kapag sinearch mo pa rin siya sa ating tell me what you want to do search, say for example, account schedule, okay, you will still see the financial reports. You'll search the result for the financial reporting. So kung medyo used na kayo sa account schedule dahil yun na yung nakasanayan nyo, still lalabas dyan yung financial report. Don't worry. And that's it for today. So tell us what you think. Help us improve Dynamics 365 Business Central by discussing your ideas. Kung meron kayong gustong ipaturo, just comment down sa ating comment section and for sure makikita ng ating team, and we'll try to recreate those topics in Business Central and discuss it in our future videos. So maraming salamat sa pakikinig. It is Jayson De Leon and this is BC Daily.